What's the meaning of Carnegie Hall? Carnegie Hall. Carnegie Hall.
Carnegie Hall. Carnegie Hall. Carnegie Hall is a famous concert venue located in New York City. It was named after Scottish-American philanthropist Andrew Carnegie, who funded its construction. Since it opened in 1891, Carnegie Hall has hosted many world-renowned musicians and performers across various genres. Its history is rich with significant performances and events, and its reputation as a cultural icon has only grown over time. Today, Carnegie Hall remains one of the most prestigious and sought-after venues for musicians and audiences alike.